Okay.
There you hit it.
Hit the
I
step.
hit the first one. That's good enough, I guess.
Okay, go get it.
Off the radio. You done?
Put the safety on. Go get it. Hunter, you go walk over and get it. You're gonna have to put it on with no sound. Not just me.
The exit hole should be bigger than the entry hole.
Nice. It exited out the front?
Oh, look.
Oh, wow.
See? It goes in small but blows out the back. You did hit it both times.
Good job, Hunter. All right, you're gonna have to put it on with no sound, probably.
Okay,
Well, unless you're okay with me talking.
Recording it.
Hunter, go out there.